Data analytics is the foundation of AI. Without understanding data, you can't understand or trust the intelligence built on it. This video course is introductory to data analytics for the age of AI. Created by Dr. K. Seefeld. The material used in these videos is in the Text Data Rookie's Introduction to Data Analytics. Available as a free PDF from the website www.dataanalyticscurriculum.com. Chapter 7, AI in Data Analytics. Chapter 7 Section 1 AI in Data Processing. In this section, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is transforming data processing. By the end of this section, you'll understand how AI automates data processing, the benefits it provides, common applications, and the challenges and limitations we need to be aware of. What is data processing? So, what exactly is data processing? Data processing is all about collecting, transforming, and organizing raw data. This includes cleaning, sorting, structuring, and enriching data to prepare it for analysis, modeling, or decision-making. In essence, it turns raw information into something meaningful. AI in automating data processing. AI takes this process to the next level. Using algorithms and machine learning, AI can handle data efficiently, automating routine and repetitive tasks. This means analysts can focus on strategy and complex problem-solving rather than spending hours on manual work. AI's impact spans across many industries, from finance and healthcare to marketing and logistics, making data processing faster, smarter, and more scalable. Benefits of AI in data processing. Let's look at some key benefits of using AI in data processing. It dramatically increases speed and efficiency. It reduces human errors through standardization and validation. It scales easily to handle large and complex datasets. And it's especially effective with dynamic and unstructured data, which is increasingly common today. Common AI applications, Part 1. AI is applied in many areas of data processing. In data cleaning and transformation, AI can automatically fix missing values, remove duplicates, and encode data. In data integration and feature engineering, AI combines multiple sources and extracts meaningful features that make analysis more powerful. Common AI applications, Part 2. AI also helps with data compression and parsing, turning large or unstructured data into manageable formats. Validation, filtering, and real-time processing, ensuring accuracy and processing streaming data instantly. Challenges and limitations. Of course, AI has its limitations. AI models rely on high-quality data inputs. Poor or biased data can lead to inaccurate results. AI augments human analysts, but it does not replace them. Over-reliance on AI is risky. Human validation and critical thinking remain essential. In summary, AI is revolutionizing data processing, automating repetitive tasks, improving efficiency, and handling complex datasets. But its effectiveness depends on good data, careful oversight, and a balance between human insight and machine intelligence.